Welcome back to my 2-minute talk session. So today's topic is CAPM model. Before starting with this, I have two questions. First, if you deposit money in your saving account, then are you taking any kind of risk? The answer is no. And the return which you are getting is around 3 to 4%. Such kind of return is called as risk-free rate because there is no risk involved in it. But if I tell you to invest in stock market, then are you taking any kind of risk? The answer is yes. And are you expecting the same return which you were getting in bank? No. So obviously if you're taking high risk, you will expect high return. So whatever extra return that you are expecting from market in addition to bank is called as risk premium. प्रीमियम मतलब एडिशनल रिस्क जो आप बेयर कर रहे हो तो आपको उतना ही आपको ज्यादा रिटर्न की एक्सपेक्टेशन है. दिस इज योर मार्केट रिटर्न माइनस दिस इज योर रिस्क फ्री रेट, राइट? दिस इज योर रिस्क प्रीमियम. यहां तक समझ में आ गया? ठीक है. नाउ if I say you like HDFC Bank has a beta value of around 1.3. I already explained in the previous video. Beta value is the volatility of the stock in respect of the market. If market is going down by 1%, then HDFC Bank will go down by more than 1%, right? That means HDFC Bank is more volatile. Now if I tell you to invest in HDFC Bank, right, so you will say that this bank is more volatile, this stock is more volatile because it has the beta value of more than 1, right? So now I want more return from HDFC Bank, right? So that is why the formula of CAPM model becomes RF, that is risk free rate, plus beta in brackets RM minus RF. This is called as CAPM model. It stands for Capital Asset Pricing Model, which gives you an indication of like what is the expected return from the security. मतलब आप HDFC बैंक में अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप कितना रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट करोगे, इसलिए हमने इसको बीटा से भी मल्टीप्लाई करा. समझ में आ गया? ये 4% तो आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे जो आपको बैंक से मिल रहा था, प्लस HDFC is more volatile. It has beta value of 1.3 into you will market से आपको कितना मिल रहा था, सपोज आपको 12% मिल रहा, माइनस 4%. ये जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रिस्क प्रीमियम. दिस यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम मार्केट and this you are getting, you multiplied by beta of the stock, then that will tell you what you are expecting from that stock, right?